Hi everyone and welcome back to Rodent Bonsai. In today's video, it's problem day. I've just checked the cherry tray there and it's full of black fly. The pond needs treating because one of the fish has got red scales on it. Could be parasites or caught itself, so I need to treat the pond with Pond Medic. And to top it all off, I've got rats. I've just seen rats yesterday, so I've ordered some poison and that of Amazon, which I didn't want to do, but it's better than having the rats. So if we stay tuned, we'll get into today's video and we'll get the tray sprayed, the pond treat, and we'll get the poison out for the rats. There's the cold fish. It's caught its fin. It's got little red spots on it. So I need to treat with Pond Medic. There's all the black fly on the leaves. Loads up there. The rat keeps coming from behind that corner somewhere, so we'll put a trap down there and put a hole down there where they're running, so I'll stick the trap down there. So it's a nice day to have problems. The sun's booming. We'll get the pond done first. So I've got some Malachite green to put in the pond. I'm going to put some gloves on because dyes your hand blue. I've already filled the watering can up with water. I just need to add this. Mix it up, and you've got to put it in the pond over a space of an hour so you don't shock the pond. 35 mil. The blueness, your hands stop blue for weeks. There's a 10, there's a 20. So I'll give that a mix and we'll start adding it into the pond. So we're going to add this over a space of an hour. So I'll just keep adding that watering can over a space of an hour. I'll add a quarter of a can every 15 minutes so we don't shock the pond. So the first bit of treatment's gone in. What we'll do now is I'll make some stuff to treat the trays. You can use washing up liquid with water, but I prefer just to buy bug clear. It kills a canny few things. I've always used bug clear. You can use 2 treatments per year with this, but it's got to be between 7 days apart. So I'll go and get my spray bottle, I'll get some water in it, and we'll make this. Got the Speed and Jackson spray bottle filled up, which is 5 litres. How much do we put in? Seven ml to 1 litre of water. 35. I got this off Amazon. I get most of my stuff. So there's that mixed. What we'll do is we'll do a couple of sprays and we'll let the trays go. Try to take them out the pond. I've made 5 litres, I might as well do all the trays until it runs out. I think pinch the candles on this one. Keep it off the cutters. What I'll do is I'll just continue doing all the trays, then I'll come back because you'll just get bored watching the spray all the trays. So back in a sec. So we 2 problems down now and we've just got the 1 left, which is the rats. And I'm crapping myself to do this in case it jumps out on us tonight, but what I might do, I might wait till the sun comes in and tell them to move all that stuff out that corner in case it jumps out. Because I'll be away. We'll set the boxes up with the poison in. Then I might phone the sun. Definitely. Got my gloves on to mess about with the poison. Amazon again. Bait boxes. So the dogs can't get in. You get some keys to lock it. I'll bring it down to you, look. We've got the poison. We've got a skewer. And we've got a little plastic guard. So the plastic guard goes into these slots in here. anything comes in, they kind of get into there. We have 15 packs of rat poison in this one bag. I'm going to put 6 on each skewer. It's like a jelly poison. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it over the box in case anything falls out, and we're going to put 6 on. And the bit what's on the end we'll just scrape off and put in the box. So that's one trap done. Well, look, so the dogs can't get into it. Trap number 2. Why, poison trap number 2. I'm not opening that one. There we have it. All done. So, to either move the boxes myself or time to phone the son. I think I'll phone the son. Aye. What'd you run out? I can't run out. You need it. Yeah, that one. Okay, son. I wasn't moving it, cousin. Put that one there. So the sun's just come in there, moved all the stuff for us. I've got the trap set with the brick on the top, stop moving. The fish pond's being tread, the trays is being tread. I'll put a link in the description of everything I've used today. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.